Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Roblox Fish Mobile. First, download the Roblox application from your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and use the search bar to find fish. Select the game from the results. Make sure your mobile device has a strong and stable internet connection for the best experience. This easy method will get you fishing in no time. Navigating fish on your mobile device is straightforward. You'll find a virtual joystick on the left side of your screen. Use it to move your character around the map. To interact with items, like casting your fishing rod or collecting fish, simply tap the right side of your screen. You can also swipe your finger across the screen to adjust your camera angle, giving you a full view of your surroundings and helping you spot those rare fish. Now let's get to the core of the game, fishing. Once you're near water, tap the cast button to throw your line. Watch your bobber closely. When it dips or moves, that means you have a bite. At that moment, quickly tap the reel button to pull in your catch. Timing is key here, so practice makes perfect. You'll be reeling in a variety of fish in just a few attempts. After a successful fishing session, it's time to turn your catch into currency. Find the fish market or a designated selling area on the map. Approach the vendor and interact with them to sell all your collected fish. With your earnings, you can visit the shop to purchase upgraded fishing rods, stronger lines, or more effective bait. These improvements will help you catch bigger and more valuable fish, enhancing your overall game experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.